Welcome to our channel, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into the world of candy cherry tomatoes. Join us as we explore the history, describe the unique characteristics, discuss the ideal growing conditions, explore companion planting options, and discover the various uses of these delightful tomatoes. The candy cherry tomato, also known as the candy sweet tomato, is a popular variety loved for its irresistible flavor and its adorable bite-sized fruits. Let's start with its history. This variety was developed through careful breeding to create a sweet and flavorful cherry tomato that's perfect for snacking and culinary uses. The candy cherry tomato boasts a round shape and a vibrant red color when fully ripe. These petite tomatoes are packed with flavor, with a perfect balance of sweetness and tanginess that will delight your taste buds. Their small size makes them a convenient and irresistible snack straight from the garden. Growing candy cherry tomatoes is relatively easy, making them a popular choice for gardeners of all levels of experience. They thrive in full sun, requiring at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Ensure the soil is well draining and rich in organic matter to promote healthy growth and fruit production. Companion planting can enhance the growth and health of candy cherry tomato plants. Consider planting them alongside basil, which not only complements their flavor but also acts as a natural pest deterrent. Marigold flavors also make excellent companions as they attract beneficial insects that help control pests. Besides their delicious flavor, candy cherry tomatoes have various uses in the kitchen. They are perfect for salads, pasta dishes, or as a colorful addition to your charcuterie boards. Their small size also makes them ideal for pickling or preserving, allowing you to enjoy their sweet taste throughout the year. Additionally, candy cherry tomatoes can be used as a beautiful garnish to add a pop of color and flavor to your culinary creations. Their vibrant red hue and sweet taste make them an appealing choice for visually stunning dishes. And there you have it, the delightful candy cherry tomato. With their burst of sweetness and versatility in the kitchen, these tomatoes are a must-have for any garden or patio. Just provide them with the right growing conditions, consider companion planting, and enjoy their delectable flavor in a variety of dishes.